Hello, this is Chris from Optinet, and in this video we're going to have a look at how to manage repair orders through Flex. The request for this video has come from one of our Take 5 readers. The Take 5 newsletter comes by email to you every Friday afternoon. If you don't get it already, then make sure you drop us a line through our website, optinetuk.com, and we'll add you onto the list. But what we'll do now is have a look at how the order screen works in Flex. It looks at spectacles which have come through the dispensing module, so ones which have been given ophthalmic lenses, and also for the contact lens orders which have been generated through the patient record. We'll have a look at how repair could be generated though, and also this would be relevant for non-RX sunglasses. Strictly speaking, the dispense module should only be used for RX lenses, so this is how you manage to send it to the till and track the order through the practice without actually using the dispensing module. So I'm going to click onto orders, and as we've said, this is a landing page for all of the spectacle and contact lens orders, but we'll look at creating our own order, generally used for repairs as I've mentioned, but also that's why it says custom down here. So I'm going to press new, and it's generated a new order for us here. Just like upon confirming a dispense, we can say when this work's required by and use a tray number here if we want to, but we're going to add on the items to the order here. So I'm going to start off by just adding the stock item I've got called repair, stock in inverted commas if you like. It's not a literal item which we're given the quantities of, it's just to be able to sell a repair, and I'm going to put on the cost of that to the patient. I'm going to put it on at £14.80, which as you know right now is the repair whole NHS voucher value, but you could put on whatever amount it is that you want on here, and any other details which you may find useful. If they're having a new part of a frame or a literal physical item in stock, of course you could add that on here as well, from a frame to a sundry or solution, or even a fee that you're charging for the repair. That's absolutely fine. In here, we might then write the notes. This might be, please fit new side, whatever the information might be. So we've got all the information now on the system. And when I save that, it's generated an order, and just like the dispensers that go through Flex, it's given it its own work in progress, so order created by myself right now. As it goes through the practice, we're able to update the WIP. So as it goes through, we can say exactly what's going on. We can see all the notes on it, and it will go through the practice just like a normal spectacle dispense. To send this to the till, if I right-click on the order just here, I'm able to go back to the patient record, open up the collection window, to say when the work's been collected, of course, or update WIP, just the same as in the top middle of my screen. But if I now post that order through to the till, and indeed head to the till, we can see here it's come through at £14.80. And if I was to use the voucher now, I'd be able to pay off the repair, or you can obviously take payment however is necessary. Of course, you could just come to the till, press repair and create a receipt. Of course, you could do that, and that's a couple of minutes quicker. But the benefit of putting it through the order screen is it means you can track it through the practice, we can add all the notes on, and it just gives us a little bit more to go on. If you are paperless, obviously there's no paper record card to cling to for this, so we can just see all of the information there. So that's your quick tip for this week of how to generate a repair order. As I said, if you do have any other videos that you'd like to see made, or you want to go into more detail on a section, do check out our YouTube channel. You can find it on any device, just Google Optinet YouTube, or visit the website flexhelp.co.uk, or alternatively, if you press the blue question mark in the top right hand corner of Flex, then that will bring you through to our online help system, where you can raise a ticket, check all the tickets you've raised, you can email us, you can live chat under this purple blob down here, and there's plenty of other resources on there too. As always then, thanks very much for being a Flex customer, and if you've got any other questions, please do let me know.